Hi everyone, my name is Aqasha, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing and setting up the Apple Watch Series 3. So I have it right here. This is what the box looks like. I got random stuff on it. Oops. Let's go ahead and just start then, I guess. Oh, and this is the 42mm. Space gray, like it's like the black color, and I'm not setting this up for myself. I actually bought this for someone else, so I'm setting it up for them, and I have their phone with me so that I can do this. I remember with my MacBook I had such a hard time unwrapping like this lining, but it looks like there's a little like sticky tab right here that's inside. I'm gonna try to make this quick because I don't want to sit here taking forever. Here we are, and then here's the little tab I was talking about. And it just says designed by Apple in California. I'm gonna go ahead and just open this part. I think the charger's in here, but inside of here is the actual watch. Okay, so this just shows you like how to put the watch on. Okay, and I think the charger is in this thing. Okay, another picture on how to get it on. Oh, and an extra band, I guess? And then the charger is right there. And there's the band. Even though there's one in here, I guess it's maybe a shorter one, I think. Yeah, it's a shorter one. So I guess this is the large band, and this says small medium right here, SM. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just start this. Shows you how to snap it on and everything. Oh, my back hurts. Okay. ASMR. Wow. This is actually really big. I thought the 42 would be like smaller. Like, I don't know, I just expected it to look even smaller than it does. Like on my wrist, it would be like so. I think I would definitely get the 40mm for myself. This is the 42. And they only make 38 and 42 with the Series 3. With the Series 5, they make a 40 and a 44. I've looked into this, guys, because I really want to get one for myself. But like, this is huge. Like for my wrist, like that is like massive, I think. So let's go ahead and start. I just clicked the little wheel on the side. I don't know if I need to charge it. They call this the crown, I believe, the button on the side. It says press and hold to turn it on and off. So I'm pressing and holding right now. And it says to download the latest Apple Watch app on the phone. It's not turning on. I'm wondering if I was supposed to charge it. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the charger. I was at my sister-in-law's house one day and I saw this in her room, and I literally asked my brother, I was like, what is that? And he was just like, why am I having to tell you what this is? Like, shouldn't you know what it is? Like, Generation Z? Because he told me it was an Apple Watch charger, and I was like, what? Why does it look like a bottle cap? So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it. Okay, now it's turning on. I'm gonna download the Apple Watch app. It's downloading the app right now. This is what the app looks like. I'm gonna say start pairing. Oh, and then this thing just popped up. Ah, it's gonna fall. Oh, it just paired. I think, by itself. It says put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Align it with the viewfinder below. Eee, it's me. Okay. I'm just gonna do manually because I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. So it says tap the eye icon on your Apple Watch to view its name, then tap the corresponding name in the list. So there's like a little button here with an eye. Clicked it, and now I'm just clicking which thing it is. It's just verifying. Then it says set up. It says which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch. Then you just agree to terms and conditions, which I'm doing right now. It says signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. I don't think I want to set up like the entire thing all the way just because there might be preferences that I don't know of. So you snap it on the wrist size that you like that, through the little hole. Okay, and then you just put it through here. That's what it looks like on the photo. It says workout route tracking. Apple Watch uses your location to track routes, local others. I'll say enable. Shared setting, Apple Watch shared setting with iPhone. Okay. Apple Watch passcode. When you set passcode, the Apple Watch locks when you take it off and requires the passcode to unlock. This helps protect your data. If you like, you can provide a little bit of information about yourself to set up the activity. It says your birthday, your sex, height, weight, and whether you're in a wheelchair or not. It says set a daily move goal based on how active you are or how active you'd like. There's like a light, moderate, and like I guess heavy. Emergency SOS, I'll click continue. It just means you press and hold the side button to call emergency services. You can install apps, so I'll just click install all. And it says Apple Watch is syncing. And it has like a thing that says Apple Watch Basics, and it says display, digital crown, and side button. And so I guess that explains everything. I'm not gonna go super in depth because I don't want to, but I'm definitely gonna make another one of these videos when I get my watch, which I don't know if I'm gonna get to 3 or the 5 yet, so till then. So you can scroll with the crown or with the screen. It's still syncing. I feel like this will take a while. Well, since this will take a while and I don't know how long it's gonna take, I just wanna say thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you wanna see next, and if you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't, you don't have to. You can hit dislike, whatever it is to you. And yeah, if you're new, hit subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see next, because I like hearing your suggestions. I'm always open to new ideas, so let me know. I will see you guys in the next one.